Hi guys, I'm Raira and welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So today I'm gonna share a red lips glam look. So yeah, let's start. So I already moisturized my face. So now I'm using primer. So now I'm taking a foundation by Lakme and applying in my face in a dot motion. Sorry, I forget to apply color corrector. So here I'm using a color corrector because I have lots of dark circles, so I need to hide this. Now I'm blending all my foundation by a blender. Concealer. I'm taking my concealer in this small brush and applying in my dark circles. Now I'm taking a loose powder by Lakme so that I can set all those areas where I apply concealer. So now I'm taking a puffy brush to remove all those excess product from my face. Next, I'm taking a brown lipstick to contour my face and nose. I'm blending with the same blender. I'm going to create a wing liner, so I'm just taking a elite eyeliner. I'm going to keep my eyes very simple, so I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow. I want a little bold eyes, but at the same time very simple. I just don't want to make it so party wear or anything else. Just I'm putting some kajals in bottom, and it's so simple but bold, and that's it. So it's a blusher time. I'm gonna take a red shade blush and apply it in my cheeks. So moving on to my eyebrows. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows and next I'm going to fill up my gaps. And that's it. I'm just going to give a little shape. And that's all for my brows. So it's a heart. So it's time for fake lashes. I'm just putting a fake lashes in my eyes so that it's look a little bit bigger. So next is mascara. So it's time for highlighter. I'm just taking a highlighter brush and putting some highlighter on it. And now I'm going to apply highlighter on my cheeks, nose, forehead, everywhere. I just love using highlighter everywhere. So now I'm just taking a small brush and putting some highlighter on it and going to highlight my inner corners of my eyes so that it's look a little bit bigger and brighter. So next is lipstick. I'm taking a red lipstick and applying in my lips. highlighter. So I'm almost done with my lipstick and my makeup. So last I'm going to apply some setting spray to set my makeup. So now I'm going to simply brush my hair. So I want a straight hair for this look. So I'm just straightening my hair with this Philip straightener, and I already apply hair serum before straightening my hair. So this is a final look. So I hope you like it, and please do share my videos with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel and give a like. So yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much and bye.